Press pause. Good job. Okay, we have a new lesson today. I need lotion again. I gotta bring some lotion down here for myself. A new lesson, and this one is called the Mandela effect. And I think I've heard about this one because I listen to a lot of true crime podcasts. It was talked about on some of those. Okay, the Mandela, M-A-N-D-E-L-A effect, E-F-F-E-C-T, is a phenomenon where false memories are remembered by a large mass of people. In 2009, Fiona, F-I-O-N-A, Broome, B-R-O-O-M-E, Broome, I'm not sure, a researcher and writer about paranormal, P-A-R-A-N-O-R-M-A-L, activity. Published a website where she coined the term Mandela effect. Nelson, N-E-L-S-O-N, first spelling, then first, break it,
I got my back.
First,
Fine.
okay, let's get back to our lesson. Nelson, N-E-L-S-O-N, Mandela, M-A-N-D-E-L-A, was the first president of South, S-O-T-H, Africa, A-F-R-I-C-A, and an anti-apartheid, so A-N-T-I, apartheid, A-P-A-R-T-H-E-I-D, activist. Apartheid was a system of institutionalized racial segregation, S-E-G-R-E-G-A-T-I-O-N, that existed in South Africa and Southwest Africa from 1948 to the early 1900s. I feel sneezing all of a sudden. Broome observed that an abundance, A-B-U-N-D-A-N-C-E, that means excess or plethora, of unconnected individuals recalled the same details of Mandela's tragic death in prison in the 1980s. News clips of the funeral, riots, and a mournful speech by his widow. However, in reality, Nelson Mandela was still alive and well in 2009. He, in fact, did not pass away until 2013. Her explanation? These individuals were all remembering an event from an alternate reality, or parallel alternate reality, or that means parallel universe. Ooh, freaky. Okay. Okay, back up a tad. Very good. We're dressed to go to the gym. We're going to go to the gym after this. Okay, so let's see. Let's do some spelling words. The first one is false. And, a, then, L, and. Look again. F-A-L-S, and. All the way. F-A-L-S-E. Good job. False memories. Let's see, that one of the words? It is. Next word is memories. And then, E, then, M-E, M, then, over, O, and, R, and, I, good job, and, E, then, yes, good job, perfect, okay. I'm going to have to take my jacket off because I'm like super hot. We're in the basement where the wood stove is, and I've been really putting a lot of wood in there. Nice and cozy, isn't it? But sometimes it gets too hot. Okay, the last one, let's do Africa, because I know you like Africa. A then, F and, A-F, R and, I Africa. Okay, let's see. What is the name of the phenomenon that we are discussing today? T, then, H, and TH, good job. Then, M, and A, then, N, then, M-A-N, T, then, E, then, again. Close. L, then, good job, Mandela. E, then, move your arm. F, and, F, and, E, then, F, C, then, G. Good job, the Mandela effect. I think this is too low. What was the first name of Mr. Mandela? N, and then E, and L, then S, and O, then again. Good job, Nelson. An abundance of people recalled Mandela's tragic death in blank. Good job. E, then R, and I, and S, and O, then good job, prison. Let's see. What is the name of the system of racial segregation mentioned above? A, then close. A, then P, then A, and R, and all the way over. T, then okay, T, then H, and TH, I, then E, and good job, apartheid. Tough word, apartheid. I forgot that word. Give one of the details people falsely remembered about Mandela's death. H, then I, then S, okay, his. Then I, and E, and O, and good job. His widow. One second. Okay, did you say G? G, then I, and G-I, B, and I, and N, G. Good job. His widow giving M, and all the way over. O, and good job. U, and R, and N, and okay, again. You're close. Okay. M-O-U-R-N. Mourn. F, then U, and L, then S, N, E, and E, and E, and C, and good job. Are you done? I should ask. Yeah. As his widow giving a mournful speech. That is perfect. Name a synonym that was mentioned above for the word abundance. Well, one of these words I really like. I think you're going for the one I want. Breathe in. L, N. Breathe in. Yep. Look again. Breathe in. Try again. Breathe in. O, N. R, then. Good job. A plethora. I like that word. Plethora. Just rolls off your tongue. Excess or plethora. What year did Nelson Mandela actually pass away? Yep, 2000. 2000. 2 and 0 and 1 then 3. That's right, 2003. I mean, 2013. That's what I meant to say. 2013. All right, let's read some more reading. All right, many of the most significant examples of the Mandela effect are related to famous film and television quotes. Most people are familiar with the iconic ICONIC. That means memorable, well-known, or legendary line. Luke, I am your father. From Star, S-T-A-R, Wars, W-A-R-S, episode EPISODE, 5. And it's a V, like a Roman numeral 5. Well, that quote must have happened in a galaxy, Galaxy, far, far away. Because the true quote was actually, no, I am your father. Oh, that's freaky, Mark, because I thought it said, Luke, I am your father, too. Yet, for some reason, millions of people remember and recite, R-E-C-I-T-E, the former quote. Are you familiar with the fairy tale, F-A-I-R-Y-T-A-L-E, line, mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Oh yeah, because it's when you were little, I used to watch that video all the time. This is yet another prime example of the Mandela effect in action. The true line is, magic mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Okay, perhaps you are also familiar with the movie Jaws, J-A-W-S. If you recall the line, we're going to need a bigger boat, you'd be mistaken. The real quote is, you're going to need a bigger boat. How can so many people recall the same false memories? Is it possible that we have lived in alternate realities? While the answer is unclear, the examples continue to pile up. Well, those are really good because those are ones I hadn't heard before. Okay, many examples of the Mandela effect are related to famous film and blank quotes. Even, G-E-L-E, then, note down, the end, I-end, S-end, try again, I-then, O-then, very nice, television, we got it out, television quotes. Okay, while the real quote is, no, I am your father, many people mistake the first word for what name? Yep, L, then, U, then, A, then, move your eyes, move your eyes. Good job, Luke. You know what? We almost named you Luke. Well, I liked Luke, but Dad didn't, I think it was. Mark? Luke. Yeah, Mark, Matthew. Mark, Matthew, Luke, and John. Okay. Here we go. Where are we at? Okay, what iconic line is from blank episode 5? Okay. I haven't seen any of the Star Wars. Almost said it, Mark. Yes. I haven't seen any of these movies. I should say S-T, A, then, R, then, W, N, A, then, R, and Star Wars. That's correct. I've not seen any Star Wars movies. I know. That's probably criminal. Maybe someday we'll watch them together. They were popular when I was a kid. Rather than mirror, mirror on the wall, what is the true first word of the quote? And I'm going to do another one. Now, what's the true first word? Mirror, mirror, instead of mirror. And then A, and M-A, G, and I, then. Very nice magic mirror on the wall. Oh, it is. It's going to be later. I was going to ask you what that movie was. But we'll do it later. I see it coming up. Let's see what we got here. Name a synonym for iconic that was mentioned above. M, and, E, and, M-E, M-E, okay, go back to M, M-E, M, good job, and, O, and, R, then, A, and, E, then, E, L, then, you're right, yes, you were right, L, then, E, memorable. Memorable, well-known, or legendary. Give one of the quotes listed above that large masses of people misremember. Okay, you have to do the whole quote. Which one are you going to do? M, and, I, then, R, and, R, then, M, I, over, O, and, R, good job, mirror. Okay. Then you have to say it and do it again. Yep. M, and, make sense. Make it make sense. I, then, R, and, R, then, O, then. Good job. Mirror, mirror. O, then, N, then, E, then, H, then, E, then, W, and, way up. A, and, L, and, L. Good job. Mirror, mirror on the wall. It's magic mirror. Okay, the line, magic mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all, comes from which famous fairy tale? S, and, S, then, no, S, T, S, N, N, and, O, then, W, and, W, and, H, and, I, and, G, and, E, and, Snow White, A, and, excuse me, A, N, N, A, N, G, then, G, N, right in the middle, H, and, E, and, S, and, E, then, move your eyes, move your eyes, E, and, move your eyes, E, then, okay, then, D, and, R, and, A, and, D, R, A, W, and, F, and, D, R, A, S, good job, the dwarfs, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Last question. If you could have been featured in any of the movies mentioned above, Star Wars, Snow White, or Jaws, which one would you choose? S, and, N, and, O, and, W, and, W,